There's light at the end of the tunnel, but COVID-19's threat is still very real. Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers doubling down, saying everyone over the age of 16 will be able to get vaccinated starting May 1st.
People are gearing up and preparing for the end game. And the end game is making sure that everybody that wants a shot gets a shot. And we will do that.
In the meantime, many not yet eligible for vaccination are still on the hunt. They're turning to social media, hoping to score on an early vaccine through communities on social media and in other ways.
To me, this is what, social media was meant and intended to do.
Earlier this month, TMJ4 News first told you of the Facebook group Milwaukee and Wisconsin Vaccine Hunters and Angels. This group has helped some find opportunities to receive vaccines that would have otherwise gone to waste.
We don't advocate line skipping, but to your point, we don't want a dose to go wasted.
Dr. Hashim Zaibak of Hyatt Pharmacy says they've managed to avoid having many leftover vaccine doses by mixing fewer vaccines on an as-needed basis.
It's really a challenge because if you mix 100 vaccines and you get only 50 people who show up, then you're stuck with 50 doses that you have to find volunteers or find patients to get.
Zaibak says some people not yet eligible have successfully waited until the end of a workday for a walk-in vaccination, despite the low odds. However, staffers will always prioritize the people closest to eligibility of any waiting group.
Let's say if we have 3 doses and you have 20 people outside, then you start screening for semi-eligibility or people who are almost eligible.
Orrick also adds with more people becoming eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine, it could be harder for those, quote, vaccine hunters to get their hands on this vaccine maybe in the next 2 weeks. Orrick also adds if you are vaccinated, the mask and the social distancing, it's all still relevant as we continue into this pandemic. Reporting in downtown Milwaukee, Tony Atkins, TMJ4 News.
All right, Tony, thank you. And let's take a look at the people that have already hunted or not had to hunt for that vaccine. This is the cumulative number of people that have gotten the coronavirus vaccine here in our area, the Milwaukee-Madison metropolitan area. You can see just over 1 million doses so far, and that is more than half of the state's vaccine numbers. As we take a look a little bit wider here at the state of Wisconsin, we're just sitting right on the precipice there of that $2 million vaccine mark here in the state of Wisconsin. Katie?